Hi, I'm Science Steve, and today I'm going to teach you a little bit about the science of fire. Now, I'm a trained professional, so you can't try this at home, but sit back and together let's learn a little bit about fire science. Fire is a chemical reaction, but to create fire you need three things: fuel, oxygen and heat. And if we take away any one of these elements, the fire will go out. Now, this can might look empty, but it's actually full of air, and air contains about 21% oxygen. Now, oxygen is essential for fire to burn. By putting this lid on tight, we trap the air inside, and then we pump a flammable gas into the can with a syringe. Now, all we need is heat from a flame to ignite it. Oh, so where did the lid go? Let's find out. When I held the lighter close, the fuel ignited, the oxygen expanded, and that chemical energy was transformed into light, heat, and kinetic energy, blowing the lid right off. Now we can learn about fire, not with a bang, with a whoosh. The inside of this bottle is completely coated with a flammable liquid. This liquid is volatile, which means it quickly evaporates, so there's a flammable vapour inside. So why the whoosh? When the flammable vapour ignites, the combustion forces the air out of the bottleneck in a huge rush. And now, it's time for some fireworks. Fireworks come in many colours because they contain chemicals that emit different coloured light when they ignite. Now, I've combined some of these chemicals with a very flammable gas called hydrogen inside these balloons. I've used strontium for a red flame, potassium for a purple flame, and copper for a green flame, and I've filled them with hydrogen. And now it's time to see the colourful light show. Wow! The flame burst the latex balloons, exposing the fuel to oxygen and heat, resulting in our colourful fireballs. But remember, I'm a highly trained professional, so never try any of this at home. Especially not this.